Laminex is committed to Australian manufacturing and is proud to have been part of the Ballarat community for 50 years, employing local people and supporting the local economy. Raw materials, such as paper and resins, and wood substrates from other manufacturing locations around Australia are delivered on a daily basis. Raw paper rolls come from vendors located all over the world, with most specialty papers coming from Europe and North America. Rolls are sequenced each day in preparation for treating, sometimes in so-called rainbow rolls to avoid waste. The sequenced papers are treated in melamine resin, the formulation of which is exactly tailored to the specific paper properties. The paper then passes through drying ovens, after which it is cut into sheets ready for the next stage of the process. With a focus on sustainability, residual resin is reblended with new resin batches to eliminate waste. The sheets of treated decorative paper are then stored in a temperature and humidity controlled environment prior to lamination. Next, the decorative paper is thermally fused to selected wood-based substrate in press cycles of under 1 minute. The sheet is cut, trimmed, and then edge printed with information that allows complete traceability. Product quality and consistency is paramount and is monitored through all stages of the manufacturing process, from raw materials to finished product. Aided by robotics, any defective products are removed so that only first-grade material passes through the line to storage. Each pack of boards is sandwiched between protective cover sheets that have been reclaimed from the process. They are held for acclimatisation before being shipped to distribution centres across Australia.